of the product advisors here for Getaway Toyota, and today we are going to talk about the RAV4 Limited Edition and what this edition has for 2022 RAV4 Edition is a fully loaded edition on the RAV4 line. Starting with Toyota Safety System 2.0, which is standard with lane keep assist, lane trace assist, full speed dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system with pedestrians and bicycle detection, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and braking system, as well as your 360 camera. Stepping inside of this beautiful RAV4, you will see 9-inch display that has standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mated to 11 speaker JBL sound system. This package also comes with wireless charger, heated and cooled front seat, heated steering wheel, and one of the best, heated seats for your rear passengers. It has 7-inch digital display for the speedometer, and last but not least, a digital rear view mirror with camera display, and also comes with remote connect. One of the best things that I would say for the RAV4 Limited Edition is the hands-free tailgate, which is so good for a lot of us who have busy hands in this day. Watching my videos, you guys, and if you have more information, you can always come and visit us and ask for Lena when you come by.